What I'd like to do in this video is talk to you about how to use DAD when we bring the 3D private sharing in to synchronize across your computers, and to do that really rather tedious backup and archive that you may not want to do. So at the moment with Sync you get one of really two options. You can buy a specialist program that's full of arcane words, that's difficult to use, that doesn't work across PCs and Macs, let alone perhaps your various mobile devices, or you can use something like Dropbox or Box.net, which synchronizes a single folder and any subfolders within it. If you've got quite a lot of information to synchronize and you use something like Dropbox or Box.net, that's going to cost you money, but of course you've got your stuff on the web. Provided you're happy on the privacy there, that's not really an issue, but it is limited. With DAD, because we've got this catalogue underneath, we've explained in previous videos, now we can do something differently. You can set up rules using our rules engine and say anything with a certain tag I want to synchronize with this other computer, and on the other computer you could use DAD to say where that will be stored, and then you can keep the files in sync. You don't need to drag them into a separate folder, they can be all over the shop. Or you can do something more intelligent than that. You can say if anything has tagged with somebody's name, then please send it to them automatically, so you can keep in sync in that way. Or you can just synchronize a whole series of directories, and we're going to provide the capability for you to say that's a full two-way sync, a one-way sync, and various other things, but easy, and that's the real key point. And the other key point is it's in the same application you use to share, so sharing amongst your own computers and with others is the same activity. Now what about backup? Backup's really very annoying and is archive. Now there's a difference between the two, and I won't explain this now, but if you want to put your data somewhere else for safekeeping, then the problem most of us have is if we do that, we store it away to another disk or we store it up in the cloud, is a month's time you forget. 2 months' time you might forget. Did I store that? Did I not store that? I don't know. One of the nice things with DAD is we've got an index, so we're going to remember where you've stored something, where you've put it. And then if you delete it off your computer but then you want it back, it's one click because you just choose that index entry and DAD will go and retrieve it for you. So because you've got the sharing and the catalogue, we make syncing really easy. Not expensive, you're not paying any more than the standard price for DAD, and we make the backup and archive really easy, so all of us can now do it. And I hope you'll see that is something that you're really looking forward to. That'll be coming out in around the June timescale in 2012. If you get DAD today, and this video is being done in March 2012, all of these features will come to you at no extra cost through the year. Thank you.